Most developers are using Claude Code, Cursor, and Windsurf at maybe 30% of their actual power, and they have no idea. The missing piece? MCP servers. These are plug-and-play tools that give your AI coding assistant superpowers it was never built with. Think of them as apps for your AI. Each one adds a new skill your competitors probably already have, and by the end of this, you'll know the exact 7 that are dominating in 2026. Some of these will shock you. Number 7. Context 7. Ever asked your AI to use a library and it hallucinated an API that doesn't exist? You debug for an hour. Turns out the function was never real. Context 7 fixes that. It pulls real-time documentation straight from the source before your AI writes anything. Your AI stops guessing. It reads the actual docs before writing a single line of code. No more debugging phantom functions. No more outdated syntax. This one server alone will save you hours every single week. Number 6. Playwright MCP. Here's where things get wild. This server lets your AI control a real browser. Click buttons, fill forms, take screenshots, run end-to-end tests. You describe what you want tested, and it just does it. No manual Selenium setup. No brittle test scripts. Your AI becomes a QA engineer that never sleeps. And wait until you see what number 3 does, because it makes this one even more dangerous. Number 5. GitHub MCP server. Managing repos from inside your AI assistant sounds simple. It's not. Most people still tab over to GitHub, click around, copy links, and paste them back. This server kills that entire workflow. It handles pull requests, issues, code reviews, and file operations directly through your chat. You say merge that branch, it merges. You say create an issue for this bug, done. You say summarize the last 5 commits, done. Your entire GitHub workflow lives inside one conversation. Zero context switching. Number 4. Supabase MCP. Databases are where most AI assistants completely fall apart. They generate queries that break. They guess your schema wrong. Supabase MCP connects your AI directly to your actual database. It sees your tables. It knows your relationships. It writes queries that actually run. Migrations, row-level security, even edge functions, all handled through natural language. This is not a toy integration. This is production-grade database management through conversation. Now here's where the list gets serious. Number 3. Browserbase MCP. Think of this as giving your AI its own cloud browser. Not on your machine, in the cloud. It can scrape websites, extract structured data, interact with web apps, and do deep research across the entire internet without touching a thing. The difference between this and Playwright? Browserbase runs headless in the cloud. No local resources burned. No browser windows popping up on your screen. It scales to hundreds of pages. Pair it with Playwright locally and Browserbase remotely, and your AI has full internet access on both ends. That combo alone is worth the entire setup. Number 2. Memory MCP. This one changes everything about how you work with AI. By default, your assistant forgets everything between sessions. Memory MCP gives it a persistent brain. It stores context, decisions, project history, and architectural choices across every conversation. Start a new chat? It already knows your codebase preferences. It remembers that refactor you discussed last Tuesday. It recalls why you chose Postgres over Mongo. This is the difference between a tool and a teammate. Number 1. Sequential Thinking MCP. Every other server on this list gives your AI new abilities. This one makes it smarter. It forces your assistant to break complex problems into structured reasoning steps before touching any code. Instead of jumping to a solution and getting it wrong, it thinks step by step, plans before it codes, evaluates before it commits, catches edge cases before they become production bugs. On complex architecture decisions and multi-file refactors, this server alone can double your AI's accuracy. It's not flashy, it's not exciting. Nobody talks about it on social media, but it is the single most effective MCP server you can install right now. And most people skip it because it doesn't look impressive. That's exactly why it's number 1. 7 servers. Each one unlocks a capability your AI assistant doesn't have out of the box. Stack them together, and you're not just coding with AI. You're building with an entire engineering team that fits inside your terminal. Thank you.